This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the right parts and safety: the OEM or exact size replacement blade, gloves, and a small flat tool. Once the hatch is open, lift the rear arm gently, support it by hand so it doesn't snap back. You need clear access to the blade-to-arm clip. Rotate the arm slightly so the connector faces you. At this point, you're positioned to release the clip. Make sure to keep fingers away from the glass edge. You'll now remove the worn blade. First, identify the release tab on the connector. Press it firmly while pulling the blade down the arm. If the blade won't slide, rotate the blade about 90 degrees as some Audi Q3 connectors use a twist lock. This disengages locking ribs. Once the clip releases, slide the blade off the hook or spindle. If the clip is corroded, use a small flat tool for leverage, but be careful not to bend the arm or damage the connector. To finish, align the replacement blade's connector with the arm and slide it in until you hear a distinct click. That click means the latch engaged. Once done, lower the arm gently to the glass to avoid popping the nozzle. Make sure to cycle the rear wiper once or twice so the mechanism seats and you can confirm wipe quality. If the blade doesn't lock or the arm won't lift, apply a little penetrating spray, wait a minute, then try again or seek dealer help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.